Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. Just thought I'd show you today some rosemary trees. Beautiful fragrance to these. You might know them from sort of roast meat such as lamb on an Easter Sunday perhaps, or all throughout the year really. They're well known for their culinary use, lots of Mediterranean cooking too. So they will flower like this with the little blue flowers over the stems, or you can have them sort of in the green form like this, but this will come and grow and have little flowers on it as well. So they give you a bit of colour, good fragrance, they're evergreen. Kind of got that traditional rosemary fragrance to them, so they'll do, really well in your herb gardens. These are in the form of a mini tree, so they've got a clear stem, so they'd look quite good in maybe some patio planters. Perhaps maybe keep these by the back door, so as you brush out perhaps from the kitchen or something, or they're in easy reach for doing some cooking, and you can just nip the tips off of them, they'll keep bushing out and you can have some delicious dinners. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.